Okay.
And
So,
we,
right here, yeah. So, we found that the square root of 5 minus 2 times the square root of 5
plus 2 is
plus 2
1.
is 1. So when we multiply, when we have this expression here, 2 plus 1 over the square root of 5 minus 2, and I multiply by the square root of 5 plus 2 over the square root of 5 plus 2,
You get
I get 1 on the bottom.
1 on the bottom, then
What do I get on the top?
square root of 5 plus 2.
So this equals 2 plus 1 over the square root of 5 plus 2. So first we split,
And then,
then we flipped, and then we rationalized. Okay? So what do we do now?
well, then now we have to do the same thing again.
Now we do the same thing again. So what is the integer part of square root of 5 plus 2?
Well, the integer part, it's, this would be, it would be, we'd get the same thing again, because we would do it with the square root of 5, we would get square root of 5, we're doing square root of 5 minus 2.
Okay.
So we get, and the minus 2 and the plus 2 cancel.
Well, but we don't have square root of 5 minus 2 on the bottom.
We
We
have-
have square root of 5 plus 2. This is what we have on the bottom, square root of 5 plus 2. So that's a number,
We're
that's some
splitting
number.
it.
What's the integer part of that number?
Well, we get, it's 2 minus the square root of 5 plus 2.
Here, let's write it over here. So we have the square root of 5 plus 2. This is the number we're trying to figure out. What is that number?
Well, the integer part of it, we're gonna do what we did before,
Okay.
and it's 2, well, we got 2 plus, we set up here, square root of 5 minus 2. So this is what? This is
What is this equal to?
well, this is the integer part of square root of 5.
That's the integer part of square root of 5 is 2.
Yeah.
So what's the integer part of the square root of 5 plus 2?
We can cancel it too. Well, we can't cancel.
What do you think? So the square root of 5 is 2 plus some number between 0 and 1,
Yeah.
right? Let's say it's 2, let's pretend it's 2.25,
Yeah.
just to make up a number. What would the square root of 5 plus 2 be as a number? If the square root of 5, if the square root of 5 was 2.25, what would this 2.25? What would the square root of 5 plus 2 be?
It would be 4.25.
4.25.
So
So if the integer part of the square root of 5 is 2, what's the integer part of the square root of 5 plus 2?
well, it's 4.
It's 4. Exactly right.
So it's 4 plus the square root of 5 minus 2.
This is equal to 4 plus just what you said, square root of 5 minus 2. Now let's just double check. Does this side equal this side?
Well, yes, because you can cancel the 2 and the 4, and then we get 2 plus the square root of 5.
Very good.
This is the same.
So this is 2 plus 1 over 4 plus square root of 5 minus 2. Alright? Does that make you happy?
Well, now we have to flip it.
What do we have to flip?
We have to flip 4 plus the square root of 5 minus 2.
Not quite.
We have to flip 1 over that.
Not quite. What did we flip before when we had this? When we had 5 equals 2 plus square root of 5 minus 2. What part did we flip?
We flipped the square root of 5 minus 2.
Okay, so we split it into an integer part and a non-integer part, and we flipped the non-integer part. So here's our integer part. Here's our non-integer part. So what do we have to flip?
Well, we flip the square root of 5 minus 2 again. But we've already flipped it.
What happens when you flip, split, and rat square root of 5 minus 2?
Well, then, but we did it before, and then we get,
Right, we got the square root of 5 minus 2 up here equals 1 over 4 plus the square root of 5 minus 2. That's what we got down here. Okay, so what is this, what happens, well actually, let's go to the next movie.